Hello once again, welcome to Heartbeat Info. So today's workout will carry us go in Erimwonghare Street for inside this siluko road. So na siluko road now we just stand here now. Siluko road now we just did so was the workout for the Erimwonghare Street and we'll see how the street don't be like now. And one reason why we dey waka for this street na say this street dey pass a lot of challenges. So we say make we just still waka for this street make we see how this street dey be. So I wan say thank you very much to you wey give us this street say make we waka for inside this street. Say thank you very much. Say make we waka for inside this street so that make we for show how this street still be. And I don waka for this street, but now I waka for this street like up to like 2 to 3 times to see say this street not too good. So the authorities just need to make repair for this street. Because we know say other street for inside this place say they don dey repair am, but at least this one just need a touch. So I wan say a big welcome to you to Heartbeat Info. If this is your first time of coming to Heartbeat Info, I want to say a big welcome to you. And if you never come here before, I want to say a big welcome to you. Welcome to Heartbeat Info. So right now we don't enter into the Erimwonghare street. We don't finally enter this street now. So we see say this street now say they face huge challenge and say they never tar this street. And because of that one, we can see say water come dey gather for this place. Make no forget say na rainy season na we dey for inside this our great city Benin. Na rainy season, so that's why we see say water full ground. So we see say this street now say most of the adjoining road for this street say they never tar them at all. And really like they never tar most of the street, all the adjoining streets wey form this street, they never tar them. So I just hope say hopefully very soon say they go really touch this street immediately rainy season stop, because na rainy season na we dey for inside this Benin. So most time when rain dey fall we dey see say the authorities no really dey work for this environment. So just hope say immediately when rain stop to fall finish, we go see development for this area. So this street now they call Imade Aredo Street. Now be the name of this street. So this street e start from the siluko road, e come go end for Erimwonghare na this street for go end. So na Erimwonghare na this street for go end. So we dey see say this street now say e never really get any say they don work on this street at all. So hopefully we dey expect say this street say they go work on this street. So make no forget say na Erimwonghare street na we just for the waka so. So this street na dem dey call Erimwonghare. That's the name of this street, Erimwonghare. And the street e start from Obayiwana na this Erimwonghare for go start. So I want to say a big thank you to you wey you support Heartbeat Info. I want to say thank you very much. Say I dey highly appreciative say you support Heartbeat Info. I want to say thank you very much. And if you get any street for mind wey you go like to see, abeg no forget to write am down for comment. Definitely we go work out for the street. And I want to say thank you very much to you wey give us this street. Say make we work out for inside this street. I want to say thank you very much. Right now the street one we dey see for front so na im dey call Erimwonghare. So dis Erimwonghare no be too long road like that. So just say make we still waka small for inside dis Erimwonghare. Dis Erimwonghare e start from dis side, dat from the Obayiwana na im the street for go start. Dis Erimwonghare so. So see say the same challenges when dis when dat other street dey face na im dis Erimwonghare see dey face so. So na almost similar thing say dem never even work on all dis streets. And really I feel say e no really dey nice say dem never work on all dis streets. So hopefully once the rain stop, we go expect say the authorities say dem go work on dis street. So I wan say thank you very much to you wey give us dis street. I wan say thank you very much say I dey highly appreciative say you give us dis street so make we still waka for dis street so that make the authorities for see how dis street really be like. So make no forget say we don waka for the Erimwonghare street. Right now na Erimwonghare na im we for the waka so. So right now we don come to the end of this video. So I wan say thank you very much for watching Heartbeat Info. I wan say thank you very much. To meet again on another work, I wan say have a blessed day and also remain blessed.